How to talk about evolution to skeptical people. Imagine explaining a story that has been unfolding for hundreds of millions of years, shaping every living thing on Earth. That story is about evolution, a scientific theory that describes how groups of organisms change over time. It explains how descendants can look and behave differently from their ancestors through natural processes like variation, competition, and reproduction. This process has been happening for millions of years, gradually creating the incredible diversity of life we see today. The idea of evolution is one of the most important milestones in science. It started to take shape in the mid-1800s when Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace independently came up with similar ideas. Darwin's book, published in 1859 and called On the Origin of Species, marked a major turning point. Darwin's observations during his voyage on the ship, called the HMS Beagle, helped him develop the idea that species adapt and change through natural selection. Wallace's work in the field supported similar ideas, and together they changed how we understand life. Over the years, scientists have gathered many pieces of evidence supporting evolution. Fossil records show us transitional forms, like the link between fish and land animals. Discoveries of ancient human relatives, such as Neanderthals, help us see how humans evolved. Advances in genetics, especially the work of Gregor Mendel on inheritance, added another layer of proof. The modern synthesis of the early 20th century combined Darwin's ideas with Mendelian genetics, creating a solid foundation for understanding evolution. Some people misunderstand what a scientific theory is. It's not just a guess but a well-supported explanation based on evidence. Evolution does not mean humans came from modern apes. Instead, humans and apes share a common ancestor that lived millions of years ago. Recent advances in molecular biology, like DNA sequencing and the molecular clock, help scientists estimate when different species diverged from each other. These tools continue to refine our understanding of how life has changed over time. When talking to skeptics, it's helpful to focus on the history of scientific discoveries and the evidence collected over centuries. Instead of arguing beliefs, encourage curiosity about how science has uncovered the story of life. For example, understanding evolution helps us develop better medicines, improve agriculture, and protect endangered species. It's a story of human curiosity and discovery that continues to grow, shaping how we see ourselves and the world around us.